Now, public health officials are becoming increasingly alarmed about a surge in coronavirus cases locally. Positivity rates are rising.
That's right, and more young people are getting infected. KCAL9's Lori Perez reports all Southern California counties are now on a state watch list.
Like in a store or like where we're supposed to wear masks, I wear a mask.
Callie Red says he plays it safe when he's out in public, but at the same time,
You can't get scared. You can't live life scared. You got to just keep going.
young people feeling invincible is nothing new. Only the thing is, of course, it's sadly never true, and it's not now. Anyone can get COVID-19, and as of this week in LA County, it is the young who are getting it the most.
There's a significant increase in the percentage of cases amongst 18 to 40-year-old residents.
The county health department reported today 50% of its new cases are young people, and they now make up 25% of the county's hospitalizations. This, as Friday marked the highest single-day total of new cases in the county, 3,187. Dr. Barbara Ferrer blames the numbers on increased socialization, citing a USC study that found out more than half of those polled admitted having contact with someone they don't live with. Experts have been watching.
We've had a lot of people disregard the very practices that allowed us to slow the spread.
That's a message that's maybe getting lost on some younger people like Nicholas Garcia, who told us distance and masks among friends seems dramatic.
When you're just with your friends and chilling, yeah.
Now, the good news is business owners do seem to be seeing the need to adapt. Inspectors visited 6,000 restaurants and bars across the state this weekend and cited only 52 of them.
But I was very encouraged by the team that came back and said that even if people were out of compliance, the engagement got people back into compliance very quickly.
Here in LA County, bars and dine-in restaurants have been ordered closed again as COVID cases surge. Dr. Ferrer says it could take a few weeks to see if that's having an effect on the rate of infections. Isaac Harmon says he understands.
If we want things to go back to the way that they were, it's not going to happen if we're going to continue to go as if this pandemic is not happening.
The other thing young people are optimistic.
If we keep social distancing and everybody stay healthy, I believe we can beat this for sure.
Now, there was some concern today as people noticed the testing site here at Dodger Stadium was closed. Local leaders cleared that up, saying it was just closed for the holiday and will reopen tomorrow. At Dodger Stadium, I'm Lori Perez, KCAL9 News.